Why don't senior citizens like to cut their nails at home? Because it's the only time they can clip without a coupon. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on in-home nail cutting for seniors. Tip 1. Choose the right tools. Before you commence nail cutting, ensure that you have the right tools in hand. These should include nail clippers or scissors, an emery board, and a nail file. Nail clippers and scissors should be sharp enough to make the cut smoothly without putting pressure, whilst being safe for senior use. An emery board and nail file are useful for smoothing out rough edges after the cut. Tip 2. Wash hands thoroughly. It's crucial that seniors clean their hands before cutting their nails to prevent any infection or irritation. It's easier to cut nails after a warm bath or a soak in warm water, as this softens the nails, making them easier to trim. Tip 3. Create a comfortable environment. Arrange a place where the senior feels relaxed and comfortable. Keeping a good light source is also essential to keep a clear view while clipping nails, which helps to avoid any accident. Tip 4. Go for regular trimming. Nails should be trimmed regularly to prevent them from becoming too long, which can cause discomfort and other health problems. Longer nails can scratch the skin and causes infection. Keep track of when you last trimmed the nails to maintain a schedule. Tip 5. Don't cut too short. It's essential to be careful and avoid cutting the nails too short. Cutting too close to the skin can lead to injuries and will increase the risk of pain, bleeding, or infection. Tip 6. Use magnifying glass. Visibility can be lower in older age, making tasks like nail cutting challenging. Seniors, or those who assist them, can use a magnifying glass to get a better view, especially for toenails. Tip 7. Approach professional help if needed. If seniors are uncomfortable or unable to trim their nails, consider seeking help from a foot health practitioner or a podiatrist. They are trained to handle this task correctly and safely, thus avoiding any unnecessary accidents. Tip 8. Keep your tools clean. Make sure to clean all nail cutting tools before and after each use. This prevents infection causing bacteria from growing. To do this, simply wipe them with rubbing alcohol and then dry them thoroughly. Tip 9. Rounding the nails. For seniors, it's ideal to round off the nails after trimming. This reduces the risk of the nail edges growing into the skin, causing pain and infection. Tip 10. Use a nail file for finishing. After cutting nails, make sure to go over with a nail file. This will help smooth any sharp or rough edges that could catch on things and cause accidents. Tip 11. Monitor any changes. Keep an eye on seniors' nails and watch for any changes that might indicate a health issue. Things like discoloration, odd shapes, or a sudden change in growth rate could point to health problems such as fungal infections or even heart and lung disease.